lived here forever, haven't we?
We have.
Yes, I used to live across the road, and Hamish lived in this house when it was a little weatherboard house. And then the kids left one by one, and then I sort of thought, oh, we should do something with the house. And Hamish said, it's not really worth it. They'll just push it over one day.
Well, the house was getting to a stage of needing some major repairs and was looking rather tired. And the layout didn't really suit us for the style of living.
We had a weatherboard house, and we'd painted it twice. I painted it once, and then we had it painted, and it was looking for another one, and I wasn't up to it. I wasn't sure that we'd be able to, on half a block, we'd be able to have a workshop and a bedroom downstairs. I just didn't know that it would all fit. I thought it was all very glamorous, choosing the house and seeing this beautiful design and that, but I thought, we'll never sell half our block, because to me it was the barbecue and a bit of grass and Hamish's garage. And I thought, oh yeah, well, we've done all this, but you know, it probably won't sell. And it just sold the next day. And I could not believe it, and that was really wonderful.
The great thing was that on signing that the costings were confirmed, and there was to be no variation to that unless we decided on changes ourselves.
We couldn't have got finance because we're not working anymore properly. So what would you have finance against? You know, we can either get the money or we can't. I thought the whole system of selling off your block of land to pay for your new house, and especially as we're older, we don't need a big backyard anymore. I thought the whole system was wonderful, and I'd never heard of it before.
The amazing thing was the money going into the bank, so you know, it could be just drawn on and pay for the development. So we were mortgage free when we started the development. The development took place, and we were still mortgage free.
Yeah.
There was no borrowings required. All the costs were covered.
But we really liked looking at all the houses. That was excellent. Very consistent. There wasn't one that was just thrown together at the last minute.
I had no qualms that the quality of workmanship that we would receive would be similar to what we've been looking at. And so each viewing became a rather exciting moment too. And every time we went to the offices to discuss things, it always seemed that we were the only project. I had no idea that Lowe's had so many projects on the go. Yeah, and it just seemed that we had the very personal touch, and we were the only ones that really mattered. It was just designed specifically for us. And upon meeting the prospective buyers, they all seemed to fit in very closely, and I think that...
It was lovely to meet them at one of the house showings.
Yes.
And now, the relationship now?
We go to all their parties. Hamish says to me every day how good it is to live here. We just can't believe it. I've got the sun in the morning in my bedroom. It's lovely. My friends are impressed.
It is important, yeah, because your friends say, well, are you sure you know what you're doing?
I could never do that. Well, we couldn't have done it without you guys.